Hello, and welcome to CASDesignCo. And today we're going to talk about a KCUP holder that I made. My wife sent me a picture of this while I was at work. And of course, when I got home, I just got started working with it. Didn't think about it, made a little bit changes. I'll show you the finished design here. And there was a couple more pieces. I was going to build brackets right there, and there were going to be different colors. And it was going to be black for the base and gray for the brackets, the clips. That way it would match the colors of the KCUP machine. And I was really happy with that idea. And I was like, awesome. And I started putting everything together and I made the first draft. I was going to make up a different filament later. I used PLA for the first one. And I quickly realized this is too bulky and I don't like this. And I designed it to where it could go vertical. And as far as like you could stack another one on top. And I did not like that. So I threw the old one away. And now we have this. And this is what it's going to be. And this is a video talking about how variables that either you don't account for, the customer doesn't account for, can change everything. And why using a cheaper filament and faster procedures and drafts are the way to go.
This was the first draft, so it was a little rough, and I wasn't too worried because it was going to be made out of a different material later. All of this is made with Bamboo Labs P1S, which is an amazing 3D printer. And after all that, I just threw it away because I didn't like how it looked, I didn't like how it worked. It was too bulky. So it's time to make something new. That same night, I redesigned the holder to sit more vertically and take up less space. Unfortunately, I didn't record the redesign process, but I did capture the new version being printed. Both versions were simple and inexpensive to make, but the lesson applies to projects of any size. Even small variables can have a major impact on final results. That's why it's important to consider how a part will actually be used, not just whether it works on paper. The first design solved the problem, but the new one is far more practical. I have several other projects in line, such as 3D printed lens covers and a custom cup holder for a car. Subscribe to stay up to date with all the new things we are working on, and check out our website at www.CASDesignCo.com to put in a request and we can solve your problems today.